In question 34, we're asked to work out 1 3/4 times 10. Now this here is a mixed number. And what makes it a mixed number? You have a whole part and a fraction part. Now with this question, because you're multiplying by 10, an easy way to do this question would be, and I'll just show you. So really here you have 1.3/4. Now the question here is, what is 3/4 as a decimal? Now I want you to learn this as a fact. 3/4 is 0.75. So what I'm going to do is do the bus shelter. So let me write it as 3/4. It's raining and 3/4 is getting wet, so I'm going to build a bus shelter. And the 3 will go inside and the 4 has to go outside. Now what I'm going to do is put the decimal point and add 2 zeros, because that will help me with my question. So how many 4s are there in 3? 0. So I'm going to carry this 3 over as a remainder, so that becomes 30. Now before I continue, I'm going to line the decimal point up there carefully. How many 4s are there in 30? Now if you know your times tables, you'll know that there's 7. But let's check. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. So we want to know how many 4s are there in 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we do one more, we'll end up with 32. We've not got enough. So that is 7. The 7 goes there. So out of 30, I've used 28. How many are left over? What's the remainder? 2. So I carry the 2 over to the next column. Now, how many 4s are there in 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I put the 5 there. There's no more remainders, so we stop here. So our answer is 0.75. So what I can do is add 0.75 to this 1. So my answer will be 1.75. And we have times 10. Now the question is, whenever you multiply a number by 10, what do you do to the decimal? You make the number bigger, so you move the decimal point one place to the right, because there's 1 0. So this decimal point ends up here. So I can remove this. So now my answer is 17.5. So 1 3/4 times 10 is 17.5.